Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to block or remove your AI Snapchat bot. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to get rid of it. Let's go ahead and open Snapchat. And I don't actually have the bot, I'm just gonna show you how to do it. So, for example, this is the Snapchat AI bot. You're gonna want to hold in that, manage friendship, and then block or remove. If that doesn't show on the AI, because I don't really know if it does since I don't have it, you're gonna want to tap on your Bitmoji, and in order to get AI, you're gonna need Snapchat Plus. So to remove it, you're gonna need to unsubscribe. That's all, and then you have to wait for whenever your subscription ends, and then your AI bot will be gone forever unless you rebuy the subscription, and that's all. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.